Hello dear half-ass viewers, welcome to another short video. Hopefully it'll be a helpful one for you guys and gals. Any of you that ride motorcycles and have had to change a motorcycle battery, you know how difficult or frustrating this can be. These things, these batteries, they come with these little nut thingies that are supposed to go inside underneath these terminals and somehow miraculously stay there while you get this thing into the pocket that it's supposed to go without jostling or losing this goofy little thing. And then you got to try to line it up so that the bolts that come with it get in there actually. I found that to be very tedious and very difficult. And I can't tell you how many times I've dropped one of these things into a nook or a cranny on the bike, never to be seen again. Usually it falls down in here somewhere and that's it, it's gone. So, what I've done, and here is my old battery, I basically take little pieces of Scotch-Brite, and I cut them to size, and I put them into these areas where the little nut thing is supposed to go. And this one might not work so well because it's old. It's been in this old battery for 3 years now. But what you can do is put that in there, and then stuff that little nut thing that comes with the battery, and usually, especially if this were new, that's going to stay there now. That nut is going to stay there. And it floats around just enough where you can get the bolt in without a problem. So, try that out. Next time you need to do something like this, get yourself some Scotch-Brite, cut it into a little rectangle, fit it down in there, and your little nut guys here will stay where you put them, and you won't drop them. Alright, so I got my battery in here, and as you can see, the nuts are still in there, held nicely by the Scotch-Brite pad. I'm going to put... Oh, let's get a magnet for that. Well, I couldn't find a magnet, so we're just going to have to do with tweezers. Hopefully that'll do. Yes, okay, thank goodness for that. See, my hands don't work as good as they used to. They're really jacked up. So, let's get this all lined up. And that goes. Be careful not to cross thread, but because it's floating on the 3M Scotch-Brite pad, it goes in perfectly. There's no messing around with getting that stupid little thing lined up. Alright, nice new battery. Let's see what happens here. Ooh, pretty. Run. Choke on. Neutral. Oh yeah. Hope you enjoyed that. We find it's a great little tip. If you thought so, why don't you hit that like button? And you know what? Why don't you subscribe while you're at it? Because it's just one small click for you, but a huge boost for us. Thanks again for watching.